Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com, and today I'm making oat flour. I'm starting with steel-cut oats today. I prefer to use steel-cut oats in most cases because it's the least processed out of the other oats that you can buy, but you can pretty much make oat flour with whatever oats you have on hand, whether it's old-fashioned or instant, it all works. I also like to use my oat flour in small batches, so I'm using just about 1.5 cups of oats today, and I'm just going to dump everything in my blender. You can also use your food processor for this, but I prefer the blender. Now I'm going to start at variable speed 1 and gradually work my way up to the highest speed at 10. And once I reach the highest speed, I'm just going to let that blend for a good 20 to 30 seconds until I have what looks like a flour. And there you have it, homemade oat flour that you can use to make creamy oatmeal, oatmeal for babies, and even for baking. Now I like to store my oat flour in a resealable, reusable Ziploc bag, but you can pretty much use whatever airtight container that you have. Also, when baking with oat flour, I like to sift it first, and as you can see, it sifts really nicely. I love the results I get when I make my oat flour at home, and you may end up with a few clumps at the end, but you can just push these through with your fingers or a spatula, whatever you're using, and it's good to go. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and for tips and more recipes to use with oat flour, visit SisterDIY.com, and thanks for watching.